Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about the problems on division. Divide and check your answer. 7012 divided by 5. 7012 divided by 5. It is division by a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. Divide a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. So we have to do division with 5. 7012. 5 here 7. Here 5, here 7. 5 times 7, where it will come we have to check. 500, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. But 10 is more than 7. So we are not taking 10. For 5 twos are 10. So before what? 5 ones are 5. So we have to take 5 ones are 5. Minus 7 minus 5, 2. Next here it is 0. 20. 5 times 20 how many times? 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. Yes, 20 is there. So 5 fours are 20. Minus 20 minus 20, 0. Next we have to take 1. So 5 table 1. 5 0 0, 5 ones are 5. So 5 is more than 1. So we have to take 5 0 0. 5 0 0. 1 minus 0 1. Next we have to take 2. 2 12 it is now. 5 times 12 where it will come we have to check. 5 0 0. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 threes are 15. 15 is more than 12. So we have to take 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. 2 minus 0, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. So in this it is quotient, it is divisor, it is remainder. So we have to do the check here. What is check here? First quotient into divisor. Quotient 1402 into divisor 5. 1402 into 5 plus remainder 2. Multiply 5 twos are 10. 5 0 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 5 fours are 20. 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7. Plus 2. 7010 plus 2, 7012. It is dividend. It is dividend. Next we have to write quotient. Quotient is equal to 1402. Remainder is equal to 2. Remainder is equal to 2. Next one, 2254 divided by 7. 2254 divided by 7. So we have to do division with 7. 2254. Here 7, here 2. I said 7 zeros to we have to start. 7 0 0. 7 ones are 7. This 7 is less more than 2. So we have to take 7 0 0. 2 minus 0 2. Next we have to take this 2. 22. More than 22 in 7 table where it will come we have to check. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. So we have to take 7 threes are 21. 2 minus 1 1. 2 minus 2 0. Next we have to take here it is 5. 15. 7 table 15. 7 1 0 0. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 21 is more than 15. So we have to take 7 twos are 14. 5 minus 4 1. 1 minus 1 0. Next we have to take 4 here. 14. 7 table 14 it will be there. Yes, 7 2s are 14. 14 minus 14, 0. In this is quotient, it is divisor. Divisor, it is remainder. Here we have to do the check for this. What is the check for this? Quotient into divisor. What is the quotient? 322. Before 0 there is no value. So 322 into divisor 7 plus remainder 0. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. 7 3s are 21 plus 1 22 plus 0. 2254 plus 0 2254. So it is dividend. It is dividend. Now what is quotient? Quotient 322, remainder 0. Next one is 3275 divided by 3. 3275 divided by 3. So we have to do the division with 3. 3275. 3 ones are 3. Here 3 is there, so 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3 0. Next here 2. So 3 table 2. 3 0 0. 3 ones are 3 is getting, but so 3 0 0. 2 minus 0 2. Next take 7. 3 table 27 will get, yes. 3 9s are 27. 27 minus 27 0. Next take 5. Take 5. 3 ones are 3 0 0. So 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6 variables. So 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3 2. In this is the quotient. This is the remainder. This is divisor. Divisor. We have to do check for this. What is the check for this? Quotient into divisor. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Quotient into divisor. So what is the quotient? 1091 into divisor 3 plus remainder 2. So multiply with 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 nines are 27. 2 here, 7 here. 3 0 0 0 plus 2 2. 3 ones are 3 plus 2. 3273 plus 2. How much it is? 3275. It is dividend. It is dividend. So in this what is, how much we get quotient? Quotient 1091, remainder 2. Remainder 2. Next one, 5342 divided by 8. 5342 divided by 8. So we have to do division with 8. 5342. So 8 table 5. 8 0 0. 8 ones are 8. So what we have take here? 8 0 0. Minus 5 minus 0 5. Next here 3. 53. 8 table 53. 8 ones are 8. 8 2 16. 8 3 are 24. 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56. 56 is more than 53. So we have to take 8 6s are 48. Here take the borrow from here to here, it is 13. Here 4. 13 minus 8 5. 4 minus 4 0. Next we have to take this 4 here. Again same. 8 7s are 56. So here also we have to take 8 6 are 48. Same 14. Here 4. 14 minus 8. 6. 4 minus 4 0. Next is 62. 62. 8 ones are 8. 8 is 16. 8 3 is 24. 8 4 is 32. 8 5 is 40. 8 6 is 48. 8 7 is 56. 8 8 is 64 we are getting. So we have take here 8 7 are 56. Here it is borrowed. From here to here it is 12. Here it is 5. 12 minus 6 6. 5 minus 5 0. So in this it is quotient. It is divisor. It is remainder. It is remainder. So we have to check here. What is the check for this? Same. Quotient into divisor. Quotient into divisor. Quotient into divisor how much? Here quotient 667 into divisor 8 plus remainder 6. 8 7s are 56, 5 here, 6 here. 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 5, 53. 8 6 are 48 plus 5, 53 plus 6. 5336 plus 6, 5342. So we get dividend. It is dividend. So what is the quotient here? Quotient 667, remainder